Hi friends, welcome back to another video of my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to unbox one of the important laptop accessories, that is a keyboard cover. This is how the keyboard cover looks like. It's a white transparent keyboard cover. The cover is little sticky at one of the side, so it sits perfectly on the laptop's keyboard. We have to clean the laptop's keyboard properly before we can put the cover onto the laptop. Now let's put the keyboard cover onto the laptop. We have to align the cover properly so it will sit on the keys perfectly. And the cover got aligned and it sits perfectly on the keyboard. Now let's type with the keyboard cover on. The typing feels good, no issues with the typing. This is how the keyboard looks in the dark with the cover. All the keys are properly visible as because of the white transparency of the cover. You have to order this keyboard cover according to the model of your laptop. Otherwise it won't fit properly to the keyboard. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.